Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about PEX piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
All right, Corey, what's the question for this week?
All right, so the question is, how do you replace PEX piping with PEX piping?
Well, why don't I just show you? Jordan's working on the outside faucets right now, so we'll come in right here and he'll hook these together. There we go, we're here. And that's how you pull PEX with PEX piping.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on PEX. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.